Filing your taxes doesn't have to be a headache, especially if you're a Cognizant employee. First, head over to the official Income Tax Department website or use a trusted tax filing software if you're using the online portal. Make sure you're logged in. Next, you'll need your Form 16. This is a crucial document provided by Cognizant that summarizes your salary, allowances, and tax deducted at source TDS. Carefully start entering the necessary data in the relevant sections of the ITR form. Begin by entering your salary income. This information can be directly found on your Form 16. Go line by line and enter the details. Now, it's time to input your TDS details. Your Form 16 will break down the taxes withheld by Cognizant. Double-check these figures for accuracy and enter it in the TDS section of the form. If you have other income sources, like interest from savings accounts or capital gains from investments, make sure to include these too. It's essential for accurate reporting. I highly recommend consulting a tax professional, like ACA. They can provide valuable guidance throughout the process and ensure that you haven't missed anything. Once you have all your information entered, review the form thoroughly. Verify all the figures you have entered. Make sure that they all match with your Form 16 only. Then submit your return and don't miss the deadline. Filing your ITR as a Cognizant employee doesn't have to be daunting. By gathering your Form 16, understanding the required sections, and consulting with a professional, you can navigate the process